Don't miss this beautiful, modern two-bedroom condo in a fabulous location, smack dab in the middle of the super popular North End neighborhood of Boston. Welcome to 84 Prince Street, Unit 3A. This bright and sunny unit is located on the third floor in a 5-story, attractive brick building and has a popular open floor plan with an updated, fully applianced eat-in kitchen with beautiful granite countertops and a handy peninsula island. It opens to a large, comfortable living area that's perfect for entertaining, and there's a bedroom in the front of the unit as well as another in the rear. Both have nice closet space, large windows, and ceiling fans. Enjoy the renovated tiled bathroom with the whirlpool tub and attractive wainscoting, a huge cedar walk-in closet, and ceiling fans throughout. Other features include a large private storage area, high ceilings, wood floors, 100-amp electrical service, and a new hot water tank. This 18-unit building is professionally managed, is pet-friendly, and has a common laundry room and a handy common bike storage as well. Located in the heart of the North End, this location enjoys a perfect 100 walk score, and it's considered a walker's paradise on walkscore.com. It's within a half a mile to over an astounding 200 restaurants, bars, and cafes.